Hey guys, today we're going to go over some basic information about setting up a DC to AC power inverter in a mobile application. Using a DC to AC power inverter is an excellent option to take power on the go. If you operate a semi-truck and you want to have power overnight, you could connect several batteries in parallel beneath the cabin, and then you could run devices such as laptops, televisions, or even a microwave or coffee machine. It's an excellent option to have the power system set up. Then you could run a shoreline power to charge up those batteries when utility is available. You could also use a DC to AC power inverter in a service vehicle. If you need power on the go to run tools, saws, drills, any type of equipment like that, using a DC to AC power inverter is also an excellent option. Whenever considering to use a DC to AC power inverter in a mobile application, make sure that you set it up with the mounting brackets securely to the vehicle wall, as shown in the diagram here. When deciding what size power inverter you're going to need to calculate the load applied, all the different electronics you plan on running. Also, when you're setting up your battery bank, you're going to have to factor how long you're going to run those devices, which devices you're going to run for longer periods of time. If you want more information, contact us at sales@powerinverters.com, and we could basically walk you through what type of battery bank you're going to need, what size power inverter you're going to need based on your desired application.